All right, welcome to your first extension class on properties of logarithms. So, as we've seen before, logarithms and exponentials are related, and today we're going to look at how when you add logs together, it's actually the same if they have the same base as if you had multiplied those two things. So log base a of b plus log base a of c equals log base a of bc in parentheses, multiplied by one another. Similarly, if you have log base a of b and then you subtract log base a of c, then it becomes division. Log base a of b divided by c. That's really because this is representing an exponent, and these are the rules of exponents. Remember, when we add exponents, we ended up multiplying terms, and then whenever we divided terms, we ended up subtracting exponents. So that's why these rules are the way they are. Let's look at examples from workbook page 199, which is also where your extension assignment is from. So if you have log base 5 of 4 plus log base 5 of 3, we use this rule because it's addition. That means to rewrite it as a single logarithm, it's log base 5 of 4 times 3, which is 12. So we're not adding these numbers, we multiply them. We can only do that because they have the same base. They both have this base of 5. Let's do the second one. So now we have log base 6 of 25 minus log base 6 of 5. Well, it's subtractive. We use the second rule. It's log base 6 of 25 divided by 5. Well, 25 divided by 5 is 5. So now I can rewrite this as log base 6 of 5. You'll see why that is simpler. It's much shorter than having these two together. Let's look at the last one, number 16. Now we have 3 things in a row. That just means that first we add and then we deal with the subtraction. So when there's no base written, that means I assume it's a 10. I'm assuming it's a 10. That's because we live in a base 10 world. So this becomes log base 10, but I don't really need to write the 10, but you can if you want, of 2 times 4 divided by 7. So 2 times 4 is 8, and then I divide it by 7. Log base 10 of 8/7. Okay, now let's get to the bottom part, to like a proof. Why does this work? Let's test it. So we should already know what log of 1,000 is. If there's nothing there, it's assumed to be a 10. Log base 10 of 1,000 is 3, because 10 to the third is 1,000. So that means that's 3 minus, well, 10 to the 1 is 10. So it's 3 minus 1, which is 2. Now let's see what we would have gotten if we used the shortcut. We would have said, oh, this equals, it's subtractive. That means it's log base 10 of 1,000 over 10. And 1,000 over 10, that just means I take a 0 out of both those terms. So that's log base 10 of 100, which is 2, because 10 squared is 2. So we just proved that that rule works with an example that we already knew the answer to. These ones are a little bit more bizarre. So your extension assignment is in the workbook. It's just 4 problems very similar to this where you are applying the properties of logarithms. Awesome. Good luck.